In our video, we listed the top 10 attack aircraft in the world. Attack aircraft have been developed to attack enemy ground targets. Number 10. AMX International AMX. It's produced in partnership with Italy and Brazil. Launched in 1989, this aircraft has a length of 13.58 meters. Its fully loaded weight is 13 tons. Its maximum speed is 1,53 km per hour and its operational range is 3,300 km. Its main task is ground attack and reconnaissance aircraft. It uses the engine Rolls-Royce Spey turbofan. There is a unit cost of $16.5 million. Number 9. Sukhoi Jaguar. It's produced in partnership with the UK and France. It was put into service in 1973. Its fully loaded weight is 15.7 tons. It's 17.53 meters long. It has a maximum speed of 1699 km per hour. Sukhoi Jaguar uses the powered Rolls-Royce Turbomac Adore turbofan engine. Its main task is ground attack and reconnaissance aircraft. It's frequently used by the Indian Air Force. Number 8. XAC-JH7. It's produced by China. The main task of the XAC-JH7, produced in 1994, is interdictor and maritime attack aircraft. It has a maximum speed of 1,808 km per hour. China WS-9 uses Kinling turbofan engine. It has a length of 22.33 meters and a maximum weight of 28.4 tons. Number 7. Mitsubishi F2. It's produced in partnership with Japan and the USA. Launched in 2001, Mitsubishi F2 has a length of 15.52 meters and a maximum weight of 22.1 tons. General Electric uses the F110 IHI-129 afterburning turbofan engine. Mitsubishi and Lockheed Martin are designed for use by the Japan Air Self-Defense Force. The unit cost is $127 million. It has a maximum speed of 2,400 km per hour. Number 6. The South Mirage 2000DN. It's produced by France. Launched in 1993, the South Mirage 2000DN has a length of 14.65 meters and a maximum weight of 17 tons. It has a maximum speed of 2,335 km per hour. Its main task is ground attack aircraft. SNECMA M53 F15E uses a turbofan engine. The unit cost is $30.6 million. Number 5. Sukhoi SU24. It was produced by Russia. The Su-24, which entered service in the Soviet Union area in 1973, was the best attack aircraft of the period. The unit cost is $25 million. Sploviv uses the AL-21F-3A turbojets engine. Its main task is interdiction and attack aircraft. It has a top speed of 1,654 km/h. It has a length of 22.59 meters and a fully loaded weight of 36 tons. Number 4. Boeing FA-18BD Hornet. It's produced by the USA. Launched in 1987, the FA-18D has a length of 17.7 meters and a weight of 21.88 tons. It's produced by McDonnell Douglas and Northrop companies. Originally produced in 1983, the main task of the FA-18 Hornet was multi-role fighter. The FA-18D, which was used as an attack aircraft in the 1987, was developed in the following years. General Electric uses the F404 GE402 turbofan engine. It has a maximum speed of 1,915 km/h. The unit cost is $29 million. Number 3. Panavia Tornado IDS. It's produced by partnership with Italy, United Kingdom and Germany. Produced in 1979, Panavia Tornado later developed the Tornado IDS variant, whose main task was ground attack and interdiction aircraft. It was used successfully for the first time in the Gulf War. It has a top speed of 2,236 km/h. Turbo Union uses RB199 turbofan engine. It has a length of 16.72 meters and a maximum weight of 27.9 tons. The unit cost is $59.6 million. Number 2. Sukhoi SU24. It's produced by Russia. The Su-34, which came into service in 2014, was built to replace the aging Su-24s. Its main task is long-range interdiction. An unusual feature of the Su-34 is that it has a rearward-facing radar and can launch air-to-air missiles at Persian enemy aircraft. The Saturn LA-31F uses a turbofan engine. It has a length of 23.34 meters and a fully loaded weight of 45.1 tons. The unit cost is $36 million. Its maximum speed is 1,900 km per hour. Number 1. F15E Eagle. It's produced by USA. F15E Eagle has participated in many successful operations in Afghanistan, Syria, and Libya. Originally produced as an air superiority fighter, the F15 Eagle developed the F15E Eagle, the main task of which was strike and ground attack aircraft in 1989 as a new variant. The F15E has different avionics and equipment than the F15 Air Superiority Fighter. It's fitted with targeting pods and other specialized ground attack equipment. Pratt & Whitney uses the F100 PW220 turbofan engine and a fully loaded weight of 36.74 tons. It has a length of 19.43 meters. The unit cost is $31.1 million. It can reach a maximum speed of 2,655 km per hour. We came to end of another military video. By opening the notifications, you can be aware of our videos. We will continue to produce such videos.